Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Trends and Computer Organization course. I am Sudhakar Ajmera, Assistant Professor, Department of EC, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today we will discuss about minimization problems on K-map for POS forms. Last time we have discussed minimization problems on K-map for SOP form. As we know, there are two types of forms, that is SOP forms and POS forms. Last time we have discussed the problems on K-map using SOP form. Today we will see problems on K-map for SOP forms. As you know, if we want to minimize the K-map for POS form, we need to follow certain rules. Here 8 points are there. Okay. As you know, in POS forms and cells, okay, our group should not contain ones. Okay, that is the first rule we need to follow. Next rule is the cells containing zeros must be grouped. Okay, as per first rule, the cells or group should not contain zeros. So if it should not contain zeros means the cells should contains zeros. Those must be grouped. And in POS form, generally we will treat terms as false for true, false for ones, and will take terms 0 for true. Okay. Next, from third point to 8th point, we need to follow whatever we have followed for SOP forms. So as for third point, we have to follow, okay, or we can group in powers of 2 power n cells. Okay, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and so on. We can group like this up to 2 power n. That is 2 power 0 means 1, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 power 2 means 4, 8 and so on 2 power n. So we can group 1 cell grouping, 2 cell, 4 cell, 8 cell and so on 2 power n cell grouping. Okay, so that is the meaning of your point 3. Next, fourth rule we should follow, the group should be as large as possible. While we are grouping for K-map, the group should be as large as possible. Then fifth rule is the group should be as less as possible. While we are grouping, we have to form less number of groups and that group must be very larger in size. Next, opposite grouping is possible. Next, corner grouping is possible. Then finally 8th rule is overlapping of grouping is possible. If I want to minimize K-map using POS form, we have to follow these 8 rules so that we can get effective minimization. Next, let us take one problem on K-map. So let us take one problem, minimize pi of m. Minimize pi of m. Let us take the terms given like this: 0, 1, 3, 7, like this. So let us take minimize this function. As you know, pi of m, this denotes, pi denotes it is clearly, it is in POS form. Here capital M also indicates it is in POS form. So here the terms given are max terms. In POS form, these terms we are calling it as max terms. In SOP form, we will call these terms as min terms. And max terms are denoted by capital M. Okay. Now, as per this, okay, 0, 1, 3, 7, maximum is 7. Okay. So using this, I can say it is 3 variable K-map they have given. Okay. So it is actually f of a comma b comma c, pi of m, 0, 1, 3 and 7 terms they are given. So it is a 3 variable K-map. So using this 3 variable, 8 cells are possible. So now I can draw 3 variable K-map like this. Okay. So let us take variables as A, B, C. I am denoting A variable for row and BC variables for column like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now, if I want to represent this, 0 means here A. As you know, 0 in POS form, 0 indicates true and 1 indicates false. Okay. So, here 0 means A and 1 means A bar. I will treat. Next, BC means B plus C, and this is what? B plus C bar, and this 1, 1 means B bar plus C bar. Next, this 1, 0 means B bar plus C. These are the terms given. Using these terms, if I want to represent K map, M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7 terms will come. Okay. These are the max terms. So, denoted by capital M. Okay. Now, what are the terms given here? 0, 1, 3, 7. So, I need to mark this 0, 1, 3, 7 in K map with zeros. Okay. Because it is POS form. So, 0, 1, then 3 and 7 let us take. Now, after marking this, I need to group it as per minimization rules. Okay. Now, you group it. Now, maximum I have to group it, that is 8 cell grouping is not possible here. Okay. If 8 cell grouping is not possible, then look for 4 cell grouping. Okay. So, 4 cell grouping, let us take horizontally and vertically also not possible, right? Now, next option is 2 cell grouping. Now, here it is 2 cell grouping is possible. This is one group, okay? Then this is one more group. Only 2 groups are possible, okay? Our ultimate goal is to cover zeros while grouping. So, using this, we have formed only 2 groups. Now, we can group M1 with M3 also, but that will form redundancy group, okay, which is not required. So, redundancy groups will create problems because that is an extra group. Using these 2 groups, we have covered already. Then what is the necessity of again grouping M1 and M3? So, not necessary. If we create, that will create a problem, okay. So, from this group 1, M0 and M1 term, horizontally this 0 will represent. So, 0 means I will take A. Next, vertically M0, M1 will be represented by 0, 0, 0, 1. So, what is the common? This 0 is common vertically. So, 0 means what it is? It is B. So, I can take A plus B. A plus B. Okay. Next, from this one, horizontally there is no common. From second group, horizontally there is no common. Okay. Vertically, I have 1, 1 is common for this M3, M7 terms. So, already 1, 1 means it is B bar plus C bar. That's it. So, using this, I got these terms. So, F minimized function, I got it as 1 into 2. Okay. In SF form, if I want to write minimized term means I can add first group plus second group, but here I need to multiply because it is POS form, right? So, A plus B, from this A plus B into B bar plus C bar. This is what F minimized function, I got it for this 3 variable. Let us take minimization problems on K map using don't care for POS forms. Let us take. This is example 2. Let us take, these are the terms they have given, max terms, okay, along with few don't care terms. Now, if I want to convert this in SOV form, I can convert it into SOV form easily. So, what are terms here missing? from this max terms and don't care terms, all those comes under this SOP form. So here in this POS form, terms 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missed here. So all those comes under SOP form here. And for don't care, remaining terms will come. Okay, from 10, 11, like this, I can take any term. Don't care means I can include this, or whatever leftover terms are there, that I can include here. So what I mean to say, POS form also can be converted into SO form and vice versa. So now let us see, these are the terms they have given. Now let us discuss about this one. Now clearly it is observed that maximum term is 15th. Okay. Now I can draw using this four variable K map. Okay. So this is AB, CD, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is what M0 term, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. This is M8, M9, M10, M11. Next, this is M12, M13, M14, M15. So these are the terms given 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to denote this 6, 7, 8, 9 with zeros. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and along with that don't care terms also given. So 12th term, 13th term and 14th term and 15th term. So these are the terms given, we can observe here. Okay. So these are the terms given. So 0, 0, cross, 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 0, 0. Now I need to group it. Okay. Here 8 cell grouping is not possible. 16 cell grouping is not possible. 8 cell grouping also not possible. So 4 cell grouping is possible. So this is one of the group and this is the one of the group. Let us take, this is the first group and this is the second group. From the first group, we see horizontally 1, 1, 1, 0 will represent this entire group, first group horizontally. From this one is common. So 1 means I can write A bar. Okay. At the same time, I have to see vertically also for this one, for this group. So 0, 0, 0, 1 will represent vertically. Okay. This 0, 0, 0, 1 will represent this first group vertically. So what is the common in this one? This 0 is the common. So 0 means I can write C. I need to add it plus C. So from first group I got A bar plus C. Likewise I have to do minimized term for second group also. So second group, if you see 0, 1, 1, 1 will represent the second group horizontal. So what is the common here? This one is common. This one is common. Okay. This one means I can treat in POS form. This is what? B bar variable. Okay. For the same time, I have to see vertically also. Okay. Vertically 1, 1, 1, 0 will represent. So among this one is common. This one means I can take, this is D bar. So now finally, from group 1 and group 2, I got minimized term as 1 into 2. So this first term is A bar plus C into B bar plus D bar. So this is what minimized function for POS form. Like that we can do it for 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable, whatever it is, 2 variable. Okay. So today we have discussed minimized minimization problem on POS form using K maps. In next session we will see combinational circuits and sequential circuits. There are basically two types of circuits, okay, that is combination circuits and sequential circuits in digital electronics. That will continue in next class. Thank you.